Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT from Bybit. So once you have an account on Bybit, make sure that account is verified. And once that account is verified, you can actually use that account to get your USDT from this platform. So what you want to do right now is to first of all confirm if your account is verified. Right now you can see verified ID. Make sure your account has this green tick and it's showing verified. Then the next thing you want to do to get your USDT from this platform is to click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, these are the options that will come out. The next thing you want to do is to click on P2P trading. Okay, so once you click on P2P trading, this is what is going to come out. So when you come down here, you can see that these are ineligible. So what we are using to buy this USDT is called the P2P trading. So you can actually come over here to click on P2P over here, and we are using one click buy. So once you click on one click buy, you are going to see it display like this. So now you want to impute the exact amount you want to get for the USD. You can impute 100,000, you can impute 200,000, you can impute 50,000, but for the sake of this video, let's go with 5,000 naira. So right now you can see that we are getting the USDT and we are receiving 3.36 USDT with this 5,000. So the next thing you want to do is to click on next. So once you're on this page, the next thing you want to do is to click on buy with NGN. Okay, so this is actually counting down. You just have to confirm before it goes down. So right now under transaction info, we are actually transferring this 5,000 naira to this particular person to release the USDT for us on our Bybit account. So you just need to copy the details and go to your mobile bank account to transfer the exact amount of 5,000 naira. Yes, once you transfer the 5,000 naira in less than 5 to 6 minutes, you will be getting the credit of the USDT you purchased. And while making your transfer to this person, please make sure your description or remark are always goods and services. Do not put in BTC or do not put in USD transfer. Just make sure your remarks or your description is goods and services. I know why I'm repeating this, so you don't get your account being blocked. You just have to transfer with a description, goods and services, or better still, impute your name on it. So now this page is saying we should use the exact name we used in creating this account. Let this name match with the same name you have on this account, and this is the actual person we are transferring this fund to release the USDT. And another thing is that don't come back to this payment page to click on payment completed without transferring these funds to this particular account number. Make sure you have actually transferred this fund straight and it has been confirmed successful before you come back to click on payment completed. So once this payment has been completed, in less than 5 minutes, you will get the USDT straight into your account. So that is how you can actually buy USDT from Bybit. Thank you for watching. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so whenever I upload valuable content like what you just watched, YouTube is going to send you a notification. If you have any question concerning how to buy USDT on Bybit, you can kindly use the link below the description to join my Telegram community where we share an idea on how you can trade on Bybit.